And today is perhaps the highlight of my visit, launching the biggest infrastructure project of all, the upgrading of the road between Dreketi and Nabouwalu, one of the main gateways to the north. Service delivery is my government's most important task, to not just promise better access to electricity, clean water, government services and roads, but provide them. As I keep saying, unlike previous governments, we keep our promises and we deliver. Our program is on track. We know where we're heading, and it's towards building a better Fiji for everyone. We are determined to give all Fijians the things that they need to empower them. Better access to telecommunications, better access to education, access to affordable housing, access to water and electricity, access to legal aid, access to skills training for our young people, and of course, access to better roads. Every Fijian knows that our roads desperately need attention after decades of neglect. The shocking state of our roads is holding our country back. It is hampering our economic development. That is why, in my 2013 budget, the government decided to decisively tackle this nationwide problem once and for all. I announced an ambitious spending initiative, the single largest in Fiji's history, of $420 million to maintain, to repair, to upgrade, and build roads and bridges. This is a massive investment in Fiji's future. It needs to be done, and every Fijian knows it.